I know sometimes it's hard to follow things and really understand what you're doing from the notes. So I wanted to show you guys what those rules for multiplying and dividing powers actually means, okay? So if I have something like this, which is, oh wait, you can't see, where are we? Here we go. X to the second power times x to the third power. Okay, so what this actually means, like, what is x to the second power? X to the second power is x times x. And then this is being multiplied by x to the third power, which is x times x times x. So what is actually happening here is this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's being multiplied together. So when you have, this is like what exponents means. When you have the same thing being multiplied by itself, whatever that thing is the base. In this case, that's x. And however many times it's being multiplied by itself is what's going to become our exponent. So x squared times x cubed equals x to the fifth because of this. But the shortcut and the rule is that all you have to do is look at the exponents and add them together. So we don't have to draw this out. We can figure it out by saying, well, x to the second power times x to the third power. For that, I'm going to think of it as x to the 2 plus 3, which equals x to the fifth. Okay? And then let me do another example of dividing powers. So let's say I have, 4 to the 10th power divided by 4. I wish I didn't do 10. That's kind of a big number. 4 to the third power. Okay, so what does 4 to the 10th power actually mean? Well, actually, okay, I'm going to change this to a smaller number. Let's change that to 6. So 4 to the 6th power means 4 multiplied by itself 6 times. 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. So this is 4 to the 6th divided by 4 to the third power, which means 4 multiplied by itself 3 times. So 4 times 4 times 4. Now, here's what happens. What is this? I could separate these all out if I wanted to, but 4 over 4 equals 1. So that cancels out. And we've done that a ton of times when we were doing equations. 4 over 4 is 1. That cancels out. Here, another 4 over 4 cancels out. And here, another 4 over 4 cancels out. So what's left is this 3 4s, 4 times 4 times 4, which is 4 to the third power. Okay, that's the answer because that's what's left. So the rule then for this is that if I have 6 4s happening at the top and 3 at the bottom, then I just have to subtract these exponents, because the amount that are left is the difference between the amount up here and the amount down here. Okay, so this is like 4 to the 6 minus 3 power, which is 4 to the third.